Actually, I don't like to use the pre-built master files or the synonyms, so I decided to create my own cluster definition from scratch. But the first step, what it gave me is, if I go to my BrainChalk folder in here, it already gave me the dimension folder and the fact folder, and both contain my base synonyms. So I can use those synonyms to continue building my own custom version of the cluster synonym. To do so, just right-click the BrainChalk folder, go to New, and select Cluster Business View. Doing this, I'm starting with a blank empty page. There's nothing in there, but I can now select the synonyms I want to work with. So as I mentioned, we have to start with the fact table. So just drag and drop the fact table onto the screen. And now we're going to add more tables to it. So we're going to start adding the child tables. To add a child, just right click that one, select insert child, and it get me a selection of elements to create my master files from. So by default, the suggestion here is display me all tables that have matching primary foreign key relationships or matching names. With a clean design database, that might get me the tables, but I could also enable show me all tables, show me tables with similar field names, or show me everything. We're going to stick with the first four in here, and we're going to move to the dimension folder because there are the dimensions we want to use. And the nice thing here, I get suggestions on which element I could use for the join. So in here, we see all those tables have useful fields that allow the system to automatically determine a matching table. So it shows me a certain level of confidence in here. So with those, I think it's green. It's a relatively high confidence that those tables in here, those space synonyms might match a join criteria and can be added. So I can select all of them or just one, but I can see which table is used, which join criteria is defined. So I'm not getting any kind of strange surprises within my join criteria. So let's add those, and I get my joint structure in here with all the elements joined to my table. That's the starting point for my cluster synonym to build a more complex joint structure and get it done as far.